Hi, in this video I'm going to discuss how you can create quizzes from text files or by pasting any text. Okay, so suppose that if you have a text file, you can select it here, or you have text, you can type it here and you can create a quiz. But right now I am on DoctoQuiz website, so I need to explain it few things. So first of all, you will be on landing page like this. So if you are a student, you will need to sign up as a student. If you are a teacher like I am, if I need to assign quizzes to any other students, so I would obviously sign up as a teacher. So for a teacher, you will see dashboard like this, but if you're a student, you will see dashboard like this. But right now, as I am a teacher, I create different quizzes, I assign quizzes to different students. So I need to log in as a teacher, and then I can click on teacher dashboard like that. And now I can click on create quiz button and I can create a quiz. So my plan offers me 10,000 plus documents because I'm on a premium plan, that is the highest plan. So I can select the text file here and I can type the text file directly. But if you're in free plan, you can upload up to 20 documents for free. There is no limitation. So now what I will do, I will just select any text file and I will create a quiz. So suppose that this is my text file, I can select it, or if this is my text file, I can also select multiple text files. But right now I have specific file. Okay, I will select it and then I will move forward. So I selected my file here, I can click on open, and if I have more files, I can upload again more files. But right now I have only one that I want to use to create a quiz, and I have some text that I can type here. So I will copy the text from other website and I will type it here so it can understand from that quiz. So I have opened the website, I will copy the specs of the product like this. Okay, so I will copy the specs of the product and I will go to DoctoQuiz again. I will type it here, I can click on add as document, and now I have two documents, the one that I uploaded and the other one that I created using I created by adding text here. So I will click on next step, and now I can select the complexity like easy, medium or hard. I can select how many questions I need 10 questions. Okay, and now I can click on pass percentage, like what is the pass percentage. So if student gets 30% marks or more, he would get passed, otherwise he would get failed. I can add test duration like 10 minutes for the complete test to be completed, otherwise students would be regarded as failed or he would not be able to submit the test. I can select points per question, so I want 10 points per each question, so total of 100 points, but you can also set 5 or whatever you want. So right now I will set is 10 and like that. So I can leave it as empty, I can leave this as empty, and now I can set the deadline. Okay, so if you want the quiz to any other language, you can type it here, but right now it is in English, my documents are in English, so it would automatically consider that. I can click on this option to avoid students cheating, like each student would get different questions in different orders, that reduces cheating. I will click on review, and now I will click on generate quiz. It would take only few seconds and my quiz would be generated automatically. Now you can see that quiz has been generated. I can review it. If I need some changes, I can click on edit, or I can make some changes. Okay, so you can change the text, you can change the options, and you can add explanations as well. I can also delete the questions if I need. I can export Excel or export PDF. Once you have reviewed all of the questions, now the next step is to publish the quiz. And after that, we can create a class and we can assign the quiz to a class. Okay, so now I will click on publish button. I can upload cover image here. Okay, so I can either create my own cover image or I can just create cover image with the help of AI. So if you are on premium plan, you can use that option, but right now I will pick up any random cover image and I will click on publish quiz after that. So now cover image has been uploaded. I can click on publish cover or publish quiz, and now my quiz would be published and I would be able to assign it to different types of classes in which my students are. So you can see this quiz has been published. You can see test configuration, you can see all the data, and you can see public stats, because you have set it to public, so your quiz could be discoverable in the public library that is showing here. So after that, you can see submissions here, you can see questions, you can see enrolled students and share and QR code. But right now I didn't assign it to any class, so I need to create a class. So to create a class, you can either select any of the existing classes like this, or you can create a new class. So this class means I have this new class, so I will name it like this. So this class would be specifically for my new quiz, but you can also assign your quiz to any of the existing classes. Okay, so I will click on create it. Okay, now my class has been created, and now I can assign my quiz to this class. So I will go to my tests. Okay, I will click on assign button, and now I can click on this class, and my class would be assigned to this quiz. So now all of the students that exist in that class to which I have assigned would get this test automatically in their dashboard. So you can also copy the link and share with students that are not in your class, or you can copy that QR code as well. But if you need more types of shareable links, you can click on this and you can scroll down and you can click on share and QR code. You can select the specific class because there could be multiple classes to which you have assigned this quiz. So I will select a class. I can copy the WhatsApp message, I can copy the Telegram message, I can copy the Facebook message, or I can either share the link or either can share the QR codes. So this is how it works. Not only this, you can see all of the dashboard data here. Okay, this is the test specific data. So when you go to test, you select a specific test from here. Okay, and you will see the specific test data there. So if you want to see all the complete dashboard, you can click on dashboard and you can see total test, total classes, recent test, recent enrollments, recent submissions, each and everything is there. You can also monitor the test in real time like this. You can see how many students are taking your any of the test, how many violations are there, and how many recent submissions are there. So this is how intelligent test monitoring works. If any student switches the tab, window focus, or full screen exits, he would be able to get marked as a violated student, and you will be able to either mark that student as a 0, or you can just fail it or pass it, or just leave it as it is and allow any other chance. So this is how it works. I hope you like this video and you can easily now understand how you can create your quizzes from web pages, documents, YouTube, and each and everything. So in the next video I will be covering different topics. So have a good day. Thank you.